3-2 vote, the Pinal County Board of Supervisors are now going to turn down millions in grant money that would have focused on vaccine equity. Our Whitney Clark is going to explain why.
The public health director in Pinal County told the board this week that the roughly $3.3 million in federal grant money would have made it possible for every community in the county to truly have a choice when it comes to getting the COVID-19 vaccine.
Just by virtue of location in Pinal County, there are some communities who are underserved.
That's Dr. Tasha Spears. She says those underserved communities include rural areas with less resources, the homeless population, and incarcerated people. In a meeting Wednesday, Dr. Spears facing questions from county supervisors.
Did we identify that there was a problem before we sought the grant, or did we see the grant and look for a problem?
The money would have been available through June 2024 and required a new position for a vaccine equity coordinator. The majority could have gone to fund other efforts like mobile vaccine clinics.
Initially, we had people who called saying they were going to shoot up public health clinics if they didn't get their vaccine that day, as opposed to, the other extreme as well.
Dr. Spears saying lately there's been a flood of calls regarding booster shots. About 47% of Pinal County has at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine.
We can get the same thing done. We can buy a van for $50,000 instead of $3.5 million.
Supervisor Kevin Kavanaugh calling the grant a waste of money, questioning exactly how it would be spent.
We don't need the federal government in every aspect of our lives. There are essential things like delivering the vaccines, but we have people already to count those who have not been vaccinated.
Meantime, in a tweet, former state health director Will Humble writing it was a stunning development, asking in what world is that okay?
It is right in the wheelhouse of what public health is trying to accomplish these days, which is to try to improve the vaccination rates, especially in harder to reach communities of color, lower income areas.
I did reach out to a spokesperson in Pinal County who says at this point Dr. Spears could not provide an official comment. I'm Whitney Clark for Arizona's Family.